friends, today I'm going to make mutton biryani. This is the most requested recipe from some of my subscribers. So let us go through the ingredients. I have used 1 kg long grain basmati rice. I've washed it nicely and soaked it for about 15 minutes. I'm going to use 1 kg mutton. This is not a boneless mutton, so this mutton is with bones. If you want, you can use boneless mutton. Let us see the powdered spices. So here we have 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 3 tablespoons of chicken mix masala and 2 tablespoons of garam masala powder. Now let us see the whole spices. Here we have 5 to 6 bay leaves, some pepper, 2 black cardamom, 3 star anise, some green cardamom, 1 mace, some cloves and some cinnamon sticks. Moving ahead, I have taken 6 onions, finely chopped it and fried it. After I fried the 6 onions, I have got only 1 cup of fried onion, 2 tablespoons salt, 1 cup coriander leaves finely chopped, 2 tablespoon oil, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 large tomatoes roughly chopped, 1 cup mint leaves roughly chopped. For 1 kg mutton, you would require half kg of curd. So this is 500 gram curd, juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoon ghee, 2 large potatoes, and this is orange color mixed with milk. So 2 tablespoons of milk, and I have mixed some color with it. So let's start making the mutton gravy. So you can use the kadai which you are going to use for making gravy. So we'll mix all the spices here. Add curd. Add all your powdered spices. Tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, oil, salt, we will not use the full fried onions, we have to save it for later. So some fried onions, keep some for later use. Coriander leaves, again keep some for later use. Mint leaves, keep some for later use. Now we will take the whole spices. Now whole spices also we don't have to take everything because some we are going to put in rice. So half of the pepper, 1 star anise, that's it. Now we will mix everything together. If you want to add color, you can add food color also at this stage, but I am not going to use food color now. We will do that later when we are layering our biryani. Make sure you're mixing everything well. And while cooking this, we are going to use 1 cup water. Let's add in potatoes. So friends, as you can see, all the masalas and the mutton and potatoes, everything is mixed properly. Now I'm going to marinate it for half an hour. So if you don't have time for marination, you can directly start cooking it. So it is not going to make much of a difference. But yes, since I have time now, I'm going to marinate for half an hour. And then I'm going to cook this for about 20 minutes on medium heat. I'm going to also add 1 cup of water to it. So friends, now our mutton gravy is well cooked. It has taken us about 25 minutes to cook this gravy. So now I'm going to turn off the flame. And now let's quickly prepare the biryani rice. So friends, we had kept water for boiling. Now let's prepare the biryani rice. So now we are going to put in all the remaining whole spices into the water. Also we are going to add 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon oil. Now to this boiling water, let's start adding rice. Make sure you're being careful enough while you're adding rice because the water is very hot. Keep the flame of the gas on high heat. So now we are cooking our rice on high heat. We are not going to cook the rice completely. We have to remove it half boiled, that is half cooked. Also another tip is, if your rice is not half cooked and if you remove the rice raw and then you cook it on dum, the rice is going to absorb all the moisture from the gravy and then your biryani will be very dry. So make sure you cook your rice properly. Do not overcook it, but make sure you half cook it properly. So now we are going to leave it for about 3 minutes in boiling water and then we will drain off the excess water. So friends, our rice is done. Rice is half cooked. Turn off the flame and now we are going to strain it. So I have half cooked my rice and the remaining half we will cook it on dum. Remember that you don't keep on stirring your rice again and again while it is cooking so that you don't break the grains. You can increase and decrease the quantity of your rice and mutton. So if you want to make it half kg, so you take half kg rice and you take half kg mutton. So friends, now let's start layering our biryani. Our gravy is ready. Basmati rice is ready. So let's start now. First we will add 1 layer of mutton gravy. spread it properly. So this is an easy recipe. If all your ingredients are ready with you, then this recipe will take you 1.5 hours. And during this lockdown, when you don't trust food from outside, it's better that you make things at home. So friends, now we have added half of the gravy to this vessel. Now let's add the first layer of rice. So our first layer of rice is ready. Now to this I'm going to add some fried onions. Mint leaves. Coriander leaves. Food color. Food color is optional, but since we are making biryani, I'm going to make use of it. Next is ghee. Adding ghee to your biryani gives a rich flavor to it. Now let's add the second layer of mutton. If you like spicy food, friends, what you can do is you can add some green chilies, slit green chilies, but I am not doing so because I've already added enough of spices. But if you still want your biryani to be spicy, you can add some slit green chilies. That is completely optional. Now friends, let's add the second and the final layer of rice. Friends, now we have added second layer of rice, and now let's give the final touch up. Again repeat the same process. Fried onions, mint leaves, coriander leaves, food color, and ghee. So now it's time to seal the vessel. I'm making use of aluminium foil. So now we have sealed the vessel completely. Now we'll keep a lid over it. We are making dum biryani, So now to keep our vessel on dum, I have taken an aluminium tawa and I have preheated for 5 minutes. So while I was doing the layering of my biryani, I had kept it to heat, and now it is ready on low heat, and I'm going to place my vessel on this. And now you keep this vessel undisturbed and let it cook on dum for 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes your biryani, your mutton dum biryani will be ready. It's been 20 minutes now. Our biryani is ready. So friends, our biryani is ready. This is a simple mutton biryani with all the ingredients available at your home. Do try this recipe. Serve it hot with some raita, onion tomato raita. Do try this recipe, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.